Here is a small development board with ATtiny88 tiny. Here is a system to blink, and if I look in device manager, I saw now I will see IB USB but disappear, also this message. But if I go to Arduino, here is another again link without delay. I choose board as MH-ET live tiny, port not, because no, but program is micro nucleus. And to upload, I disconnect, I put push button and wait here. Yes, now I connect on USB, waiting a little, enough. Again, USB not recognized, but if you see here, LED is just blink. Before was a stroboscopic light. That's it for upload the sketch in ATtiny88 as Arduino board.